Roger lives in the village of Hawkshaw and he's trying to assess whether cars are breaking the speed limit through the village. He times each car's, and we know the distance is 50 metres. The speed limit is 30 miles an hour. Now, the first car takes 5 seconds, so it takes 5 seconds to go between there and there. Oops. And we want to know how long the car has to travel the remaining 100 metres in order to keep within the speed limit. Okay, because he's measuring a speed limit from the start to the end. He's not just measuring little sections. So let's have a look. Now, because the distances are in metres and the timing is in seconds, but the speed limit is in miles per hour, I'm going to change this miles per hour into metres per second. I could do it the other way. I could change metres and seconds into miles and hours, but I think it'd be a lot harder to do. Now we know a mile is 1.6 kilometres, which is 1,600 metres. So 30 miles per hour, so it's 30 miles in 1 hour. Now notice we've got distance over time, because that's what speed is. 30 miles is 30, and a mile is 1,600 metres. So we've got the right units at the top, metres. And at the bottom, we don't want hours, we want seconds. So 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 60 minutes is 1 minute is 60 seconds. So if we work that out, do it on the calculator, we end up with 13.3 meters per second. Sometimes written like this. There's a little one there. But anyway, so the speed limit is 13.3 meters every second. Now, we know 150 meters, so I should have really written down speed limit, is that. Okay, let's give it that little bit there. So 150 meters, if we're going at 13.3, bear in mind we've got speed is distance over time. If we want to know how long it would take to go between those two, so we want the time, we want the distance over the speed. So time is distance over speed. So 150 meters over the speed. So 150 divided by 13.3. 150 divided by 13.3. And we get, if I go one decimal place, 11.3 seconds. So the car so far has taken 5 seconds for the first bit, and I know it's allowed to take 11.3 seconds for the whole journey. So the time left, so for part A, it's going to be 11.3 take away 5, so 6.3 seconds. So as long as the car takes less than 6.3 seconds for this bit here, as long as the car takes less than 6.3 seconds, it'll be judged to have gone within the speed limit. Now part B, does this prove the driver is not breaking the 30 mile an hour limit? Well, clearly not, because here he's taken 5 seconds for the first 50 metres, and then he's allowed to go 6 and a bit seconds for the next 100 metres. So whilst this bit, he's gone slow at the beginning, then he can go fast at the end, and he'll average out at 30 miles an hour. So no, it doesn't. So I'll run out of space again. Just rub that out. So for part B, what you're trying to get across is no, because although the average speed is less than 30 miles per hour, or 13.3 meters per second, he might have gone fast and then slow. And if you think about it, I'm sure you've all seen instances where there's an average speed camera and people go fast for a little while and then slow down, and the average comes out to be fine, but they might have broken the speed limit for little sections.